वहाँ से कुछ आया? आधे बुक चेक कर रहे हैं।
कहना चाहेंगी क्या सुपर कूल है 3 में आप आ रही हैं और what do you want to say?
That's my first full-fledged movie, which I played a good role over there in Bollywood. I'm really glad this movie is finally releasing now, 22nd January, guys. Watch it. It's a hilarious concept, and the USP of the movies are that's very naughty and funny spoofs, which we are also doing, which is the unique concept altogether. And we are like from all the popular Bollywood movies like Chennai Express, we are turning to Chennai Express. They are like hilarious, and we are turning it into the spoofs and playing it all. So it's like hilarious. Obviously, some double meaning, some.
Good Bollywood debuts start in Bollywood.
You know what? To be honest, nowadays all those adult comedies are making that's something which they want to watch because they're very chill out. So they're going probably in the morning before the university, going and watching those kind of comedy they are doing. That's why the producers decided to do more movies like that. And I think this is a genre which everyone would like to watch, especially comedy.
So क्या आप इसी genre में work करना चाहते हैं या फिर you want to work some other kind of project, some other kind of
Probably work with because right now this genre is working, and on the end of the day we can just add what the people want those kind of genre movies more. But definitely there is some offers which is a different genre altogether. So we are
zoom दिया एकदम zoom कोले एकदम बस आउट फोकस कर बस zoom दिया धीरे दिया और दिया हाँ बस आउट फोकस कर पूरा रेंडर फोकस लेना पूरा आउट फोकस आगे फोकस बोल कर फोकस क्रॉस कर रहा ऐसा लिया ना कट करना वापस ऐसे लिए क्रॉस ऐसे क्रॉस कर ऊपर जाते थे ये एंगल पर घुमा धीरे धीरे स्लो जा 5 मिनट जा
दुनिया भर का क्लिप बनेगा
लेके रखने का
लेकिन क्लिप बहुत बनेगा ना
Claudia being part of Ekta Kapoor production, working with Tushar Kapoor, Aftab, it's a proud moment for you getting your first acting role as such in Bollywood.
Definitely, I'm very happy. I got a first movie with Balaji and Ekta side me. It's a very big deal for me, and I'm very glad to be opposite Tushar and Aftab, especially in a comedy movie because Tushar and Aftab comedy timing is like fantastic. We can learn so much from them, and definitely it's a very good script, very good story also, a part of that masti and comedy which we do throughout the movie. That's a very beautiful story altogether in that movie Kya Kula Hum Part 3 as well. So that's why I also said yes to that script.
Want to know what kind of role you are playing and what is the length of the role? Is big, small, or
Yeah, it's throughout. Though I haven't seen the final cut, but it's throughout. We shot 1 month in Thailand and some patch-up work in Bombay itself. So for like 4-5 weeks we were shooting all together. So my role is full-fledged from the beginning till the end. And the one-liner about my movie, obviously, first about the movie, let me tell you one thing. It's a very famous concept of Hollywood. That porn com which we are promoting is a very famous concept of Hollywood.
Okay.
So basically the USP and that uniqueness of the movie are those spoofs which we are basically doing, which you haven't probably seen before in any Bollywood movie. So, so definitely, I am a part, and playing my role is also playing all the spoofs and being a part of. And a part of that, once Tushar falls in love, we are all supporting him and faking to be his family, and playing. And I'm playing then in the second half his sanskari sister. So the role is completely opposite. One is sanskari sister, and one is the adult star, which is acting inside that spoof. So I'm wearing sari. Equally, I'm wearing bikini in that movie. So the opposite side is also very much there. So it was very kind of interesting concept.
Claudia, movie is an entertainment font, and as an actress, you have to explore different kind of role. But do you think this is the correct film, the most appropriate film to make your debut as an actress?
You know what? I think those kind of movies nowadays the audience wants to see. First of all that adult comedies, yeah, sex comedies, call it however you want, they are doing 100 crores plus. And let me tell you another experience. I was traveling like now promoting the movie, be it Lucknow, be it Nagpur, in that smaller cities, not in Bombay, Delhi. And people were so chilled out about that, be it the media, be it that, university kids, obviously 18 plus, they were so chilled out and they were loving the concept. They were taking it very lightly, like very chilled out mood. So I think they are not taking it serious, oh my God, what they are doing. That's not anymore there. They are not conservative anymore as we are thinking they are. So I think, they are probably going to watch Kya Kula Hum in the morning itself and then go to the school, and they will be loving their heart out. They will come out with a smiling face, and that's all about that. So I'm definitely happy. That's my debut, and I think those kind of movies are going to work, and that's what people want to watch.
Was being an actress your childhood dream as such? From very beginning you were good at performing arts or something like that, or later at this stage you invent that, yeah, I want to become an actress as such?
Definitely, I started my career as a model. So I was mostly modeling for like 2-3 years, and afterwards I turned acting, or I was trying to do my luck in acting. So I have done like a sitcom in Italy itself, in Sicilia. So I have done a Hollywood movie called Karma, Crime, Passion, Reincarnation, and that only brought me to Bollywood, where I have done obviously 3 reality shows, be it Big Boss, be it Zorka Jatka, be it Comedy Circus, where I prove a bit my Hindi also. Then of course item songs happen, and now finally step by step, finally Bollywood also happened to me. So yeah, definitely. But I mostly right now feel mostly like an actress, not in a model anymore, because the modeling job I don't do anymore.
But it couldn't be an easy task to make a breakthrough in the industry. What was your first breakthrough as such, and how did you get that break?
In India, I say.
In India.
In India, it was Big Boss, because the Hollywood movie which I spoke about, it also released in Bombay. And that's how I think people noticed me a bit. And that's how after a couple of months, I got the offer of Big Boss.
Okay.
So firstly, I was like thinking, why? I mean, I want to go in the direction of Hollywood, or probably keep continuing my work in, Europe, because I was already established over there. But then my manager convinced me, and I was saying, okay, but you know what, I don't speak Hindi, so probably 1-2 weeks I will be anyway out. But I survived 10 weeks. I think that's destiny, because I can't really explain that. So afterwards, so many opportunities has happened in India that I realized, no, they will be really stupid if I will go back. So let me stay for some more time, and let me experience, let me try something new, let me learn the language, so I will be able to get more opportunities. And that's what happened. So
Big Boss is hosted by boss of Bollywood, Salman.
Yeah.
So what was the equation between you and Salman? Did he praise for your beauty, for your talent?
you know what? Surprise, surprise. That time when I was in Big Boss, Amitabh Bachchan was hosting the
Bachchan
show.
was hosting the show.
Yeah.
So what was the equation with Bachchan then?
Till today, I wish him happy birthday or wish him happy new year, and he always answers my messages.
Okay.
And whenever we meet on all this film fair and all this award function, we always have some good few words. Ki, wow, Claudia, you do so well, and always some praises are there. So I'm really always very happy and glad to meet him again. And it was like 10 weeks we constantly were like meeting or not meeting. Basically having conversation in Big Boss every week. So yeah, Amitabh Bachchan was the first basically star which I got to know in Bollywood. So he will always be a special one.
So are you selective about role, or whenever you get a new kind of opportunity, small opportunity, big opportunity, you grab that? What kind of mentality you have as an actress?
As an actress, like for example, let me tell you, like Balma. Balma was a super hit which I did with Akshay Kumar. and afterwards I got plenty of offers. It comes to item songs, but many of the projects were not convincing. Yeah, the production house was not good. Yeah, everyone was new. Yeah, something on the other. So I said no to more than 10, 11 songs.
Okay.
Because if I'm not convinced really, then I can't force myself.
Right.
That's my personality. So yeah, I refuse also work. It's not like I'm taking everything what I believe. I'm taking everything what is coming. I only selected work which I believe it can do some noise. It can bring me one step further. I can grow with my career. Then only I will leave. I will do
You know,
that.
as you're talking about Balma, how was your reception with Akshay? I mean, it was only one song I said, but
Yeah.
it was a massive hit.
Yeah, it
what
was a
do you have to say
massive.
about Akshay as a person? I mean, did he assure you of giving some future projects or something like that?
No, the
Nothing.
assuring was not there, but we
But
shot
he's
for
a
2-3
helping hand
days.
and,
Yeah, he's a fantastic co-star, and I was obviously like a bit tense to shoot and to dance next to him because he's a fantastic dancer. No doubt, no doubt. He was like 1-2 takes and he's done. So I knew I have to give my level best in every shot because I might not get the opportunity to get the second shot also in case I feel like no, let me do a retake. There is no retake with Akshay Kumar, right? So it was a bit of stressful time, but he was so helpful. He was so, very chilled out. And one more thing, which is not really a normal thing, he's very punctual. Before even the choreographer reached the set, Akshay Kumar was there. And already practicing or something like that, because obviously he won't practice. I used to do some workshop before, like 1-2 days before of the shooting. He didn't, obviously, he doesn't need to. So once he come on the set, so the dancers will be dancing his portion, he will see it and he said, okay, I'm done. And we were like, okay. But he's very punctual, he's very professional, he's so much fun to shoot with. And also afterwards, I have done a few events with him. Promotion for the movie I also have done. So we were traveling here and there. So he's a wonderful co-star to work with.
Indian cinema is not only about Bollywood or Mumbai film industry, it's huge. I mean, thousands of films
Oh.
are made. So what kind of perception you have? Are you inclined towards doing regional films as well?
Yeah, definitely. I have done one Punjabi movie as a lead also. It was called Yar Pardesi. So regional movies, especially even Marathi, things are growing. Even Ritesh Deshmukh is also doing Marathi movies right now. And Marathi movies are doing so well in compared to previous years. Punjabi movies also, after Jat and Juliet, I think, right, has done so much well and the industry is growing. So why not? If the script is good, if the role is very excited for you, I don't have a problem with regional movies.
Lastly, I want to ask, Bollywood is considered a magical world. Mumbai is considered the city of dreams. Do you believe in all this? Is a city of dreams and magical?
Absolutely. It is a city of dreams, and I'm always repeating the same thing to many of my friends that once you are in Bombay and once you start working here, the city has such a vibration that you always want to come back here. Even if you are going for holidays, after 10-12 days you go restless. No, I want to go back to Bombay because the city is so happening and so lively, and obviously it is a city of dreams, so that's the best place to be, guys.
Thank